Hello, my name is Olabisi Kadri, and this is my presentation for the Streamline blog. My major contributions to this project were to log in and create an account through passport authentication. So, unregistered users can create an account, while registered users can log in and can also log out. And whenever they create an account, it reflects on the database, the Mongo database, and also post, view, update, and delete news. Unregistered users can view news. Registered user can post and update news. So whenever registered, they can post news with the image, title, and the news item. And if they want to update the news, they can also update the news. They have the feature of being able to update the news they upload. And admin can delete the news they feel is irrelevant. Only the admin has that feature of being able to delete news. Upload images. Registered users can upload images from the computer or from any image stored in the database. So if they want to upload images directly from their computer, they can upload images. And also the contact and about us page. The contact us page simply has the name of whoever is lodging a complaint or suggestion or something positive. It has the name, the email of the person, and whatever the suggestion they want to complain or talk about or whatever. So with that, all the fields must be complete, and whenever they click on the submit button, the admin or the owners of the web can view the messages immediately through the Gmail, and they can view whatever the registered or unregistered user complained about. And I also have the about us page, which just talks about the website. It has a picture which is attractive, and it comes in different forms just to attract users to read about the Streamline blog and the web. And also I designed a homepage which shows the time, the date, and the zone information. So it shows the time, the year, whatever, all the information about the time on the homepage. And also when users log in, they can also see the time, date, and zone information. So these are my major contributions. Thank you.